Here I've got the OnePlus 70 and let me show you all the secret codes for the following device. So at first, let's open your phone dialer, go to keypad, and we will start with the first one, which is *##***4636###. And now we are in testing mode where you can check phone information, usage statistics and also Wi-Fi info. And in phone information, you can come along with email number, phone number, current network, current strength, data service, data network type, voice service and all the others. You can also run a ping test here. Just click on this and then below you will find the resolution. Then go to user statistics to check all the information. Here you've got everything regarding your applications. And finally, in Wi-Fi information, you can come along with Wi-Fi APA, Wi-Fi configuration and Wi-Fi status. So let's start with APA, where you can come along with disable network, disconnect, enable network, configured networks and also the whole connection info. Then in Wi-Fi configuration, you can check configured networks, and in Wi-Fi status, smoothly refresh it, you can check what is your Wi-Fi status. You can also run a ping test here. Simply click on this tab to perform this operation, and that's basically all. So that would be all for the first code, and let's go to the second one, which is *##, *##, 225, #*#. And this is calendar info, so you will be able to check all the information stored in your calendar here. Everything is in one place, so you will not forget about any important event. Let me go back, and now it's time for the third code, which is *##, 0000, *##. And as you can see now, you've got the whole device info where you can check model, hardware version, ESN based version, PRL version and loads of other information. So let me go back, and now it's time for the very short code, which is *##, 06#. And this one will provide you with both email numbers and also mate number assigned to your device. Click on OK to go back, and let's go to another code, which is *##, 426, *##. And now we are in diagnostic mode where you can check events and also status. If you click on the more icon, you can open advanced view, so you will be able to come along with some more advanced information. And that's basically all. These are all secret codes for your OnePlus. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.